Hello YouTube. Today we got a brand new item from Harbor Freight. It's actually a brand new free item from Harbor Freight. It's the new Worklight, free Worklight from Harbor Freight. As you can see, one has the obvious change is the front, which is the big LED. One has multiple and one has just one bar. We'll see how this does. I'll compare both of them, and if you guys want the free coupon for this light, I'll post it at the end of the video. So wait for that, so you guys could get your free light. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and let's go ahead and get started. We got the old one against the new one. I just got this today. I seen it, so I ran and get it so we could do a comparison. These are the work lights. This is I believe this is yeah, it's actually both. They're both made in China. As you can see, uses AAA batteries, both made in China. So it's exactly the same thing, only I guess more modern. We'll do a comparison, see how these are. This is my old one, and this is the new one. From the bottom, they're both the same. They got the 3 LEDs. That's what they look like. Yeah, they got the 3 LEDs, so they just about the same. I'll show you guys. And then the big difference, I guess, is the front. It's that. I don't know if you guys could see the big bar. And this is the, I don't know, guys. I don't know if new is better. But I do see the older one brighter. Brighter than the new one. I don't know. You guys can tell the difference. There it is. Yeah, the new one seems to be less brighter than the other one. That's weird. See? I don't know if Harbor Freight's trying to save money or they're just trying to go for a new look. I don't know. Anyways, we'll shut the lights off and we'll do a quick comparison with these 2 lights. Yeah, it seems like everything's the same. That's the only thing that's changed. So yeah, all right, we're gonna compare the lights. It's not completely dark out here, but it's enough dark to see how bright these things are. All right, first we got the old light. It's like more like a spotlight. As you can see, that's the old light. It's real bright. All right, now we got the new light. As you can see, it's not as bright as the other one. I mean, it is bright, but it's not as bright as the other one. Here, I'll turn the other one on. See? There's the old There's a new. Old. New. So you guys know the difference now. You guys can even tell on the camera which one's brighter and which one's not. Then again, we got the old, and then we got the new. Seems like it's more yellowish type of light, you know, more whitish. This was like more bluish. So might be cheaper. That's why they went with these lights. All right, that's my quick review. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one for another review. Thank you.